to start this beautiful day with a fireside chat, and the very first person I'm going to invite on the stage, we have among us Miss Prachi Jain from Police Modern School, Ghaziabad. Ma'am, welcoming you on the stage. Everyone, can we please join our hands together? Everyone, a little more loudly. Thank you so much. Thank you. To start with, Police Modern School. What are different ideas? अगर हम आज के टाइम में बात करें, टेक्नोलॉजी, स्किल्स एंड एजुकेशन गोज हैंड इन हैंड. आप 21st सेंचुरी के लिए अपने स्कूल में हाउ आर यू प्रिपेयरिंग योर स्टूडेंट्स फॉर दैट?
We have already started, all the preparations are there. We have implemented NEP at our school. I think it's the first school in our area. We have implemented NEP, and now we are a pilot school for implementing NCRF also. So in NEP, just we are saying in National Education Policy is there, not only just we are saying we are implementing NEP, number of things are there. We are just going to do stages are there, art integration, Nipun, and everything. We are just changing the mindset of students and parents. Because earlier we were used to do the rote method of learning and studies. But now it's changed. And we are just going with the skill-based education also. And training is there, project-based, learning-based, play-way learning is there. Students are learning not only just by roting or by just learning. They are just learning by playing. Number of activities are there, we are implementing in school, we are conducting in schools. Students are going for exposure also, teachers are taking initiatives, and art integration, Nipun, especially for pre-primary and primary wing. We are just doing the Nipun. And Nipun is what? Only just clearing the concept to each and every student by activities.
मैम ने अभी मेंशन किया that we are not just educating people, but we are also trying to change the mindset of students as well as parents. जहाँ parents की बात आती है, I just ask how. Parents को school तक लाना, उनका mindset change करना, I think a lot of us in schools do struggle through that. बच्चे हमारे सामने हैं, हर समय हैं, सीख रहे हैं, but when we go back to our house, we'll just be like कि बच्चों के कितने grades आए हैं, उन्होंने आज कौन सा subject पढ़ा है, उनको homework मिला है या नहीं मिला है. I think that is what parents are concerned about, क्योंकि हम लोगों को उसी तरीके से सिखाया गया है, समझाया गया है.
Definitely. But this time we are just taking हमें parents की भी counseling करनी होती है. If we are going to do anything new in at school, so first of all, we have to convince our parents. Parents को convince करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है कि whatever we are doing just for their kids, for their betterment of their kids. We just want to make them कि in future they will be a responsible citizen and they can make the career not for as by burden कि parents are saying only doctor and engineer careers are there. So number of career options are there. They will be free for choosing anything. There will be no hardship कि they have to achieve 98%, 99%. If 75% and 80% students are there, they also can achieve that lot. They also can prepare, make their career. Earlier it was not possible because we are seeing the number of cases were there, students were attempting suicide also, they are not able to make their career properly. So in that case, we are organizing the meetings were there, we are calling parents and we are convincing parents कि आपको ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको केवल कि आपका बच्चा अगर 90% नहीं लाएगा तो वो कैरियर नहीं बना सकता. Just change their mindset कि from 6 onwards we have started the skill education. Skill education में भी हमारा प्रोसेस रहता है कि पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को कि कोई स्किल जहाँ हम किसी बच्चे में लाती हैं उसके लिए कि बच्चा इज़ परफेक्ट इन दैट स्किल, तो एक उसके अंदर एक कॉन्फिडेंस जनरेट होता है एंड दैट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. उस बच्चों को पता है कि मैं पढ़ाई में इतना नहीं कर पाऊँगा, अब मेरी माई कैपेबिलिटी इज़ दिस, आई कैन डू दैट लेवल ओनली. बट अगर कोई भी एक स्किल बच्चे के अंदर है तो इट विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट कि आगे कुछ नहीं हुए. पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो विल बी अवेयर कि आगे कुछ नहीं अगर होता है पढ़ाई में 90% नहीं लाता है तो एटलीस्ट ही कैन मेक देयर कैरियर इन दैट स्किल.
You know, earlier we used to say that we prepare our students for a
Yeah.
particular job.
Yeah.
आज के टाइम में हम बच्चों को तैयार कर रहे
कर रहे
हैं
हैं.
to create a job.
Yeah.
Because I think yesterday we were also mentioning the same thing that आज के टाइम में जो भी बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं 15 साल बाद 20 साल बाद you are never going to know what jobs will be available in the market. Coming back to the same point, 15 years down the line, you know, 2025 only we are saying that AI and technology and artificial intelligence is going to take almost 30 to 50% of jobs in the market.
Yeah.
So how are you preparing your kids for that? In particular pointers,
Yeah.
कि ऐसे क्या initiatives हैं technology से related that you have implemented in your school?
Entrepreneurship is there कि not only just students are going for taking a job, they can make the jobs also. They can go down in the field of the different ideas are there. 2 or 3 students we have selected for Inspire Manak Awards, and they have received the amount also, and they are preparing models. So in that way, just there's a need of change their mindset. कि we are focusing on कि think different. कुछ वो different सोचते हैं कि just look at the surrounding. We have implemented design thinking and innovation also. I am also an ambassador of design thinking and innovation. And number of teachers we are having, those are ambassadors for design thinking and innovation. So we are just trying to change the mindset of students. We are just convincing them कि just check in our surrounding. If we are seeing कि नहीं ये problem है, then what solution can be there? Just for example, our 2 ideas were there. We have got selected for Inspire Manak कि one student make that machine कि जिसे plastic bottle डाली जाएगी and the student will get anyone will get the gift at the place of this plastic bottle. So it means we are just reducing the plastic waste, we are collecting the plastic waste from different area, and then they will receive the gift. Soft toys and other gifts also are there. So in that case, students are saying, checking कि problem with there for plastic waste and wet waste, dry waste. So they are looking for the solution also. And they are making this type of machine for surrounding, and after then they can make it a career also.
I think we can conclude this conversation with just saying that earlier we used to teach our students, our kids, what to think.
Yeah.
I remember this very clearly, you know, when I used to teach, बहुत बड़ा बड़ा मेरे school में लिखा होता था that earlier we used to teach our students what to think. Now we are teaching our students how to think.
How?
That's very important. With that, प्राची जी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका बात करने के लिए. Thank you so much.